step into the Ram 2019 2500 Tradesman. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include power adjust and heated black tow mirrors included, mirror running lights, exterior mirrors with supplemental signals, exterior mirrors, courtesy lamps, trailer tow mirrors, electric shift on the fly transfer case, diamond black crystal pearl coat, spray and bed liner, gross vehicle weight, 10,000 lbs, STD, tires, LT275/70R18 EBSWS, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches steel chrome clad, 3.73 axle ratio, STD, an engine, 6.4L heavy-duty V8 Hemi with MDS, STD. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click